Nestled along California's central coast in San Luis Obispo County, Pismo Beach is famous for its dramatic coastal bluffs, wide sandy shores, and rich marine life. Located right off scenic Highway 101, this vibrant oceanfront escape is renowned as the clam capital of the world and serves as the gateway to the stunning Edna Valley wine country. We are starting at the top of the cliff near the SeaCrest Oceanfront Hotel, where the panoramic Pacific views are absolutely breathtaking. Stepping onto the wooden stairs, every step down brings us closer to the crashing ocean waves below. Capturing this smooth 360 view as we descend the staircase reveals the towering, stark white coastal cliffs surrounding this secluded stretch of beach. The wooden planks creak faintly underfoot, echoing against the high coastal walls surrounding the path. Every few steps reveal a new vantage point of the emerald green Pacific water below, where gentle waves roll in and crash against the base of the cliffs. The contrast between the bright sky above, the warm timber of the staircase, and the deep blue of the ocean makes this descent feel like a slow, immersive transition into a completely different world. Nearing the staircase base, a notice board details Pismo Beach's clamming rules. Anyone 16 or older needs a California fishing license. Pismo clams must measure at least 5 inches across, with a 10-clam daily limit. Undersized clams must be immediately reburied 2 inches deep to protect the ecosystem. Reaching the final step, the soft sand meets your feet as a remarkably peaceful shoreline opens up. Down here, the atmosphere immediately transforms into a tranquil, hidden haven. Broad, smooth sands are washed gently by the rhythmic rolling of the Pacific tides, offering a calm escape where visitors stroll along the water's edge, breathe in the salty sea air, and unwind in the quiet stillness of the coast. Looking along the base of the bluff, your eyes are drawn to a striking, golden-hued rock formation rising from the shore. Its warm, amber tones catch the coastal sunlight, creating a luminous glow against the deep blue backdrop of the ocean and sky. While it resembles an intricate sea cave at first glance, a closer look reveals it is not actually an enclosed cavern. Instead, centuries of relentless ocean tides and coastal winds have naturally carved away the softer sandstone layers, leaving behind sweeping arches, smooth alcoves, and hollowed pockets that mirror a cavernous entryway. A true showcase of nature's artistry. Walking around this naturally sculpted golden rock offers incredible visual perspectives through a 360 camera view. The textured sediment layers create rich shadows and glowing highlights that shift with the motion of the sun. Whether you come to explore the unique coastal geology, search the tide lines, or simply sit on the sand and listen to the waves, this beach provides a deeply refreshing, relaxing retreat for anyone who visits. As the drone lifts into the sky, the true scale of the Pismo Beach coastline unfolds in spectacular fashion. Centered right along the bluff is the iconic SeaCrest Oceanfront Hotel. Its lush grounds, sparkling outdoor pool, and sprawling sun decks looking straight out over the Pacific. Up here, you can see how perfectly situated the property is, sitting dramatically on 5 acres of oceanfront real estate. Gliding further up and along the shore, the aerial perspective reveals the full story of this coastal haven. A seamless strip of oceanfront hotels, vacation rentals, and bluff-top apartments lines the dramatic cliffs, offering front-row seats to the crashing surf below. Down on the sand, the coastline curves gently into the distance, connecting the private cliffside staircases to the wide, sun-drenched beach. From the manicured hotel lawns to the sprawling residential pads, this bird's-eye view captures the ultimate California coastal lifestyle, where everyday living meets the vast beauty of the open sea. From high above, the drone captures a stunning perspective of the sea cave carved into the golden cliff. Gliding along the shoreline, the true power of the Pacific comes into focus. Centuries of crashing waves and ocean tides have visibly eroded the soft sandstone, sculpting deep fissures, dramatic arches, and steep alcoves. This aerial view showcases the ongoing process of coastal erosion, naturally reshaping Pismo Beach's coastline. Gliding closer, a unique connecting bridge between 2 cliffside apartments instantly catches the eye. Suspended high above the gap between 2 massive coastal bluffs, its sturdy, precise construction seamlessly links the 2 buildings. Seeing this architectural bridge spanning the deep chasm over the ocean highlights incredible coastal engineering, blending modern design right into the rugged cliffside. Moving past the bridge, a dramatic coastal cliff immediately catches the eye, packed with activity as dozens of seabirds rest along its rocky ledges. Curious to see what species are gathering, the drone glides closer to reveal a bustling, natural pelican roost. Watching these majestic birds perched high above the crashing surf offers an incredible bird's-eye perspective of their protected resting spot. As the drone eases slightly nearer to capture finer detail, a few pelicans suddenly take flight, their massive wingspans spreading wide against the ocean backdrop. Recognizing that moving any closer might panic the colony, or risk a dangerous mid-air collision with the drone, the craft immediately holds its position at a safe, respectful distance. Maintaining this buffer ensures the birds remain calm, while still capturing incredible, close-up footage of the pelicans soaring gracefully off the cliffs. It is a stunning, unforgettable moment of wild coastal nature caught right on camera. Leaving the coastline, we head over to the iconic Dinosaur Caves Park. This 11-acre bluff-top park gets its famous name from the 1940s, when a local business owner constructed a massive 50-foot concrete brontosaurus to draw visitors down into a nearby sea cavern. While the giant dinosaur structure and the collapsed sea caves are long gone, the area has transformed into a stunning public haven with panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. Sweeping the Insta360 camera through the park's main entrance, the wide-open grassy lawns immediately open up under perfect, sun-drenched weather. Walking along the paved oceanfront pathways, you can feel the refreshing coastal breeze coming off the bluffs. Further down, the park comes alive as kids run around and explore the vibrant play area, filled with giant concrete dinosaur eggs, ocean animal sculptures, and play structures. The blend of fascinating local history, sweeping coastal scenery, and lively family energy makes walking through this park an absolute highlight of visiting Pismo Beach. Leaving the main lawn behind, we follow an unpaved, natural dirt trail that winds along the edge of the bluff away from the playground. The path gently hugs the coastline, leading straight toward an informative historical signboard detailing the rich heritage of Dinosaur Caves Park and its iconic 1940s origins. Stopping here briefly gives you a wonderful sense of history, connecting the stunning landscape of today with the stories of the past. Continuing along the dirt path, the trail opens up into a peaceful, quiet section of the cliffs made for relaxing. We find one of the wooden park benches positioned right along the bluff's edge, offering an unobstructed, front-row view of the Pacific Ocean and the fresh coastal air. Settling into the bench, it's the perfect spot to take a breather, soak in the surroundings, and take in the panoramic coastal scenery. From this vantage point, the drone pivots to capture a breathtaking 360-degree panorama of the entire cliffside. The sweeping lens takes in the lush green open lawns of Dinosaur Caves Park above, contrasted against the deep, crashing blue of the Pacific Ocean below. Gazing out past the coastline, your eyes are immediately drawn to a prominent rock formation standing completely isolated in the open water, the famous Bird Rock off Shell Beach. Gently pushing the drone controls forward, we fly out over the surf for a closer look at this solitary sea stack. Standing completely detached from the mainland cliffs, Bird Rock has served as an untouched, natural sanctuary for coastal wildlife for centuries. As the camera closes in, the rock's dramatic, weather-worn surface comes into vivid detail, layered in white mineral guano, and sculpted by years of heavy ocean swells. Getting closer reveals just how teeming with life this offshore sanctuary really is. Hundreds of seabirds, including cormorants, gulls, and pelicans, occupy every available ledge, crevice, and peak. Safe from land predators, the birds gather here to rest, preen, and socialize high above the crashing tide. The aerial perspective provides a fascinating look into their thriving, protected colony. Hovering at a respectful distance to avoid startling the flock, the camera captures stunning visuals of birds constantly swooping in and out, their wings catching the sea breeze as waves break violently around the base of the stone. Seeing this bustling, isolated natural sanctuary, perched in the middle of the sea, provides a spectacular finish to our aerial exploration of Pismo Beach. Circling to the far side of Bird Rock, the drone reveals dozens more seabirds lining the craggy ledges, heads tilting toward the rolling waves. They maintain a vigilant watch over the surf to spot schooling fish, creating a captivating display of nature's daily hunt on the open ocean. Hovering high above Bird Rock, the drone opens up a breathtaking, fresh perspective on the entire coastal landscape. From this elevated vantage point, the full splendor of Pismo Beach spreads out, providing a sweeping 360-degree aerial panorama that connects the deep blue expanse of the ocean to the dramatic coastline. Up here, you get a true sense of scale and a vivid imagination of how this stunning shoreline exists in reality. Looking back toward the mainland, the sheer cliff faces rise sharply out of the water, showcasing millions of years of geologic history layered into the rock. The aerial angle clearly reveals how the relentless force of the Pacific Ocean, with its continuous swells, surging tides, and coastal winds, has slowly carved and sculpted these majestic bluffs over centuries. Seeing the sheer drop-offs, golden rock formations, and green parks seamlessly framed against the vast Pacific offers an unforgettable view. It's a stunning bird's-eye look at nature's raw artistry along the California coast. From high above the water, the drone drops down into a sweeping flight path right on top of the rolling waves, delivering a fresh, action-packed perspective of the Pismo Beach shoreline. Gliding smoothly over the glistening surf, the aerial camera catches surfers paddling out into the swells, patiently waiting to catch the next gentle break, while kayakers and small boats navigate the calm ocean waters. Down on the wide, sun-drenched beach, the golden sand is filled with people soaking in the coastal atmosphere. Families, couples, and morning strollers walk along the water's edge, enjoying quiet conversations with the cool ocean breeze on their faces and the soft tide lapping at their feet. Seeing the vibrant beach life from this low, gliding angle really highlights the peaceful, laid-back charm of Pismo Beach. The rhythmic, calm waves and the joyful energy of everyone enjoying the water make this coastal haven look like the ultimate place to unwind and enjoy the simple beauty of nature. That brings us to the end of our Pismo Beach adventure. If you enjoyed these amazing views, please leave a comment below. Like, share, and hit subscribe. Your support truly motivates me to post more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.